Bread High Yield Savings Account Review 2025. Is it worth it? You won't believe how competitive high-yield savings accounts have become in 2025. Bread Bank offers an online savings account promising higher than average interest rates, but is it truly worth opening? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by overcomplicating savings options. Bread High Yield Savings offer the straightforward approach: a single account with competitive interest, no monthly fees, and easy online access. This makes it easy for anyone to start saving without navigating confusing terms or hidden charges. Another advantage is the rate. You won't believe what happens next when you see Bread's interest rates consistently outperform traditional banks. With the fees often above the national average, your money grows faster while remaining fully insured up to zero. Accessibility is also a strong point. Bread provides a mobile-friendly app for instant transfers, balance monitoring, and goal tracking. Unlike some traditional banks, everything can be managed digitally, saving time and reducing the need for branch visits. However, there are cons. Some users may find that Bread doesn't offer checking accounts or in-person services, which can be a downside if you prefer integrated banking. Withdrawals are limited to 6 per month due to federal regulations, which is standard for savings accounts but can surprise new users. Interest rates, while competitive, can fluctuate based on market conditions. In conclusion, Bread High Yield Savings in 2025 is ideal for savers seeking a simple, digital-first account with competitive interest rates. While limited withdrawal options and the absence of full banking services are considerations, the account's ease of use, strong IP, and FDIC insurance make it a solid choice for anyone looking to grow their savings efficiently.